Hello, to turn on Hey Google on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll all the way down and go into Google. Next you have to go into all services and go into Search Assistant and Voice. And right now you have to be sure that you have your Google Assistant enabled, and you can check that by going into Google Assistant here. You can go here and into Digital Assistants and from Google, and here you have the Google Assistant to enable, and you can also check in general settings that this Google Assistant right here is also enabled. Alright, so as we have enabled Google Assistant, we go back all the way up, and here is Hey Google and Voice Match. We simply press it, and here is this option Hey Google, and we simply turn it on. And right now we have to configure, we have to set up the OK Google, I believe. More agree, and basically that's it. So you simply press next, and just like this, your Hey Google is right now enabled. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.